Hey guys, welcome to the Rabbit Restoration series. In this video, I am going to show you in detail the order of the rear strut assembly, shock absorber, exactly how everything goes, and how it goes into the car. Let's get into it right away. Okay, so here is the order. First thing you're gonna need is your shock absorber, just like that. So the first thing that goes on is the spring goes on first. Notice how it's like got more coils here. If you have that goes up, this goes down, and this has to fit. See, there's like a groove here. It's gonna have to go right into that groove. See that part, that part. In order to install this, you are gonna need a spring compressor. There'll be a link to a spring compressor video. It looks like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and compress that spring enough to put that on, and I'll show you what's next. Okay, the spring is on. I got this lined up. Now this part goes on, and see there's like a space here for it, for the spring. So you got to get that right on there, just like that. So that goes on next. Okay, after that, this goes on like so, and then one of these bolts or nuts, my bad. Okay, so you're gonna hold this part with the crescent wrench so the piston doesn't spin, and you're gonna tighten this bolt all the way down. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, I removed the spring compressor. That's lined up. See, that's how that's gotta be. This one's lined up. This is tightened all the way down. So next, this rubber thing here, it goes on this way like so. Okay, now this whole thing goes in the car from underneath like that, and then inside of the trunk up top, you're gonna put this thing in with these facing down like this. Boom. Then this metal thing, not like that, faces up like a crown. That goes like that. Then you put this bolt all the way down. And then once that's tightened, you put one more bolt. For some reason they got two. One of these gold ones. So that is the order of things, guys. Just restoring this 82 diesel, guys. Check it out inside. Welded up all the floor. I got a pretty detailed video on how to do that. If you want to see how to put the fronts together, there is washers and things that go a certain way. Click on the link. If you want to use a spring compressor, click on the other link. Thanks for watching. Till next time, everybody. Check out the whole series on rebuilding this, and I'm also rebuilding this.